Taking a look now across Tennessee because a 4.1 magnitude earthquake in Tennessee woke up families and rattled homes this morning, and it was centered not far from Greenback. And it was felt as far away as Charlotte and Atlanta. ABC's Alex Prashaw has more.
Tonight, parts of the southeast bracing for potential aftershocks after a 4.1 magnitude earthquake rumbled through the region.
That's pretty common for around this area. 1s and 2s. 4, pretty remarkable.
The quake hit around 9 this morning in eastern Tennessee, just south of Knoxville. It could be felt across 6 states and as far away as Atlanta. In Wears Valley, Tennessee, this black bear approaches a home and then scurries away terrified. And in Knoxville, this family shaken up by the sudden tremor. And in Murphy, North Carolina, the rumble was so loud it sounded like thunder. The eastern Tennessee seismic zone is known for frequent small earthquakes. Seismologists say this is one of the most active earthquake zones in the eastern U.S. Dozens of earthquakes hit this region every year, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, and most of them are small and rarely felt.
If you do feel shaking, remember, drop, cover, and hold. Most injuries from earthquakes occur because objects fall on top of you.
So far, no injuries or damage reported,